Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Jackie. I hope you hit that subscribe button to be notified whenever I upload a video, which in December is going to be a lot, so stay tuned for all the festive content and my Vlogmas videos. Also, you can follow me on all my social medias. I have Twitter and I have Instagram. Those are always linked down below in the description. And now we can finally decorate my Christmas tree. Today I'm going to be decorating my Christmas tree. It's my first Christmas in LA. I moved out here by myself in June and now I have this whole entire place to decorate. But I'm just going to do my tree with you today, so come decorate my Christmas tree with me. It is a fake Christmas tree. I got it at Target. I got it on sale for $30. It is a 6-foot pre-lit tree. I'll have the exact one down below if you want to get it yourself, even though it's probably already late. Usually I decorate my Christmas tree on Black Friday. That was been my tradition since I was a kid, but I technically broke that ever since I was in the Philippines. So like, I usually do it at the end of November. It's currently December 2nd, so it's a little bit late, but who cares? Let's just go get the tree and put it up. This is where I'm gonna put the tree. I have some decorations here, so it even has an outlet I found, so that is really handy because I can plug in Christmas tree lights there. And this is where it's gonna go. So that is what it looks like, and we're gonna fill the space with a Christmas tree. Here's the Christmas tree. We're gonna open it up. If you hear the crackling in the background, it's that tree. It's that fire right there. I got my tree skirt at Marshall's and it was $29.99. It is the Cherish Traditions 54-inch tree skirt, and it has like, it's all white and it has silver and gold beading on it in a Christmas tree, so that is cute. I thought it would match my theme, so let's open it up and put it underneath. A lot of my decorations at Target this year and my ornaments. So these are the ornaments. It's the Wonder Shop 50 count shatter resistant ornaments. I got it in red and gold, and then I got a few more things. Big bag of decorations. So first up, I got a big giant red bow because you know me, I love giant red bows. Then I got two metallic gold glitter bows to put all over the tree because you know, I just love bows and I want to decorate my tree full of bows. Then I got a gold star to put on the top. Then I got my stocking initials. I need my Q. It's coming in the mail because you can't buy it in store because it's so rare. So it's gonna go J, M, and then a white Q. Just gonna hang them up a little later. Then I got some like special ornaments. I got a silver Swarovski crystal J. I got this little cute ornament. It's a Santa and the beard says 2018. I wanted to remember 2018 because it's my first Christmas moving here. And then this is so pretty, I couldn't pass it up. It is a rose gold crown because of course my blog name is fashionxfairytale. My last name begins with a Q, so I associate it with queens. So I just love crowns and bows, so I thought I would just get something to put on my tree to represent me, besides my J as well. And I'm trying to find a ballerina ornament. My mom used to buy me a ballet ornament every year, and I kind of want to continue that tradition. I could never locate one while I was living in Manila, but now I might find one here. So that's like the only missing ornament that I have. So over the years I'm gonna collect it, but these 3 ornaments right here are the special ornaments for the year. I'm gonna put the cute little ornaments on the tree. So I'm going to actually take a picture of the pattern, so when I put it away I can have it like the same aesthetically pleasing kind of way. I don't know, it's random, but why not? So I'm gonna take a picture of it. There we go. And then this, the first ornament is on the tree. Yay! So now I'm just going to do all of them. And finally, the final piece, the star. So that's the last thing. For now, I think that's good enough. I might buy more decorations later on, but for now, this is it. The last piece is the star. Ta-da! It's kind of leaning. I always have leaning stars, but that is my finished Christmas tree. Here is the final Christmas tree. I'm really happy with it. I went with a glittery red and gold Christmas tree theme this year. So yeah, I just need to fluff it out. I might buy more decorations for it. You might see it through our Vlogmas change up. But for now, I can give you like a close-up final look of it. That is my completed Christmas tree for 2018. I hope you enjoyed come decorating my Christmas tree with me. I'll link everything down below that I can, like the tree, the ornaments, the star, stuff like that. So those are all linked down below in the description if you want to check it out if you don't have a tree yet. But this is mine. I'm really happy with it. Even though I'm far from family, I still wanted to decorate and just have a nice Christmas. So this is my first grown-up tree and I really like it, and I hope you do too. So that is it for today's video. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye everyone!